The next question is question number 8. Alright, in question number 8, you are given two students, Rohana and Yingfeng, and you are told their scores in 4 mathematics tests. Okay, and the test scores are actually shown here as well. I've written them down. So in part A, you are actually asked to represent their scores by a matrix R and Y such that R and Y are of the same order. Okay, so in fact, there are actually two ways in which you can represent their scores. Okay, the first way is to represent R as a row matrix. Okay, whereby you write out the scores in order. And if R is a row matrix, then Y also has to be a matrix of the same order as specified by the question. So you will get another row matrix as well with the corresponding scores. Now, another way to represent the information is instead of writing it as a row matrix, okay, you represent the information as a column matrix. So it should be 1, okay, where each element actually represents the individual score. And if R is a column matrix, then Y also has to be a column matrix with 4 columns. Okay, so either pair of answer is acceptable. Okay, next you are asked to find R minus Y and explain what the numbers, okay, in your answer represent. So we will go ahead to find R minus Y. Okay, in using addition or multiplication, okay, we usually find column matrix easier to handle because it's easier to visualize. So I will use the column matrix. And if you work this out, you should get this answer here. And the more important part is to actually explain what the numbers in your answer represent. So if you look at this, okay, let's just look at one element. Okay, the first element 8. How did we actually arrive at the number 8? We took 83, and remember what's 83? 83 is Rohana's score in the first test minus 75, which is Yingfeng's score in the first test. So 8 actually represents the difference in their test scores. If we look at another element, okay, you'll find that it is also the same thing. -5 is the difference of their scores in the fourth test. So if we were to summarize the information, we can say that R minus Y actually represents the difference of Rohana's and Yingfeng's test score, okay, in each test. Okay, and the keyword each test actually, okay, is very important because there are 4 elements and each of the elements represent one test. The other keyword in the answer is also really, we want to say that this represents the difference. Okay, so I hope that you get a sense of the kind of questions that can come up from matrices involving addition and subtraction. And if you have finished this for the lesson, you can go on now to try your homework questions.